So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to download TikTok on iPhone. As you all know that United States recently banned the TikTok on App Store. So all you have to do just go to App Store and search here TikTok. As you can see, TikTok is not showing on the App Store. So all you have to do just go in settings and tap on ID. Now as you can see here media and purchases, just tap here and tap on view account. Now as you can see country and region, my country and region is set to United States. All you have to do just tap on it. It's the big issue. Tap on change country or region and select here any country. I am selecting Germany. Tap on agree. Write your name here. As you can see here the option of credit card, just tap on none. Here add your name here, your street, postal code, tap on next. As you can see my region and country is changed. Now again go to App Store and search here TikTok. As you can see now TikTok is showing. So it's very simple. That's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in next video. Take care.